Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold, also known as XAUUSD, for the week ahead from 23 till 27 November. So let's begin. We are currently on a 1 hourly chart. Going into the past trades, we have given a signal of going on a long on this particular support resistance. We did see a significant or a huge sale off entering in the market from some around 1958 ending as predicted. We have predicted the market would change its momentum from bearish to bullish some around 1893 and 1893. The market was moving some around 1893. Here we have predicted that the market would rebound from this particular support zone. We did see a rebound from this particular support zone, and the take profits were hit of this particular, were placed some around this particular support zone. Now coming on to the current market opportunities, what we can see is that we have been, or we have spot a particular support trend line or the support zone for the market. This would be the support zone. Let me make that in zone so we do not caught up any fake breakouts. And this would be the only pattern on which we would be taking the position for the week ahead. This is the support zone. We can also highlight the resistance zone by extending or highlighting the resistance, and this is making an form of a wedge reversal or a ascending channel. So according to the ascending channel theory, we can predict that on a retest towards the resistance, we could see the market could enter a bearish momentum or a breakout upwards. Now coming on the trading opportunities, what we would be looking for the week ahead as the market opens, we would be looking if the market did a rebound towards this particular support zone. If the market did a rebound towards this particular support zone, we would be taking longs some around 1868, with our stop losses for this long would be placed some around 1863, with our take profit of this particular support zone which is in range of 1885. So the risk to reward of this particular trade would be some around 1 ratio 2.5, with our stop losses placed some around 1861, take profit some around 1885, and our entry trigger point would be some around 1868. After retesting this particular resistance zone, we could see a bearish momentum entering in the market, which would be predicted, or which I would predict that we can see a retest towards the support zone. However, if we didn't see a breakout from, however, if we didn't see a retest of this particular resistance zone and the market wasn't testing this particular support zone, then the market could potentially break out upwards. If we see that the market did closed above this particular resistance zone, that would be a signal that the bullish trend which we have seen in the market from some around 16 November have held, and we are expecting more potential bullish momentum entering in the market, which could rally the market towards this particular resistance zone, which is in range of 1837. Thus that would be a great opportunity to go long on a retest or on a breakout of this particular resistance zone. So taking a long position, if we did see a breakout of this particular resistance zone, with our entry trigger point would be some around 1891, with our take profit of this particular resistance zone which would be some around 1936, with our stop losses placed some around 1874. This trade will give a next reward of approx 2 ratio 6.2. Now coming on the bearish scenario is that if we didn't see a retest, if we did see a retest towards this particular support zone, however the market wasn't able to hold this particular support zone, and if we did see the market did close below this particular support zone, that would be an excellent opportunity to go short with our entry trigger point some around 1895. Do keep in mind, if we did see a close of this below this particular support zone on an 4 hourly, on a daily chart, or on a daily chart, we would then only going to take the positions. Thus our take profit would be placed some around 1856, with our take profit with our stop loss placed some around 1870. This trade will, and our entry trigger point would be some around 1865. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.78. That are the opportunities which we would be looking for the week ahead. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.